Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video.
Hey guys, welcome back to AppGrind TV, the channel where we help you make money online. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make money online with Rakuten and Swagbucks. First, let's talk about Rakuten. Rakuten is an online cashback platform that allows you to earn money for shopping at your favorite stores. To start making money with Rakuten, you'll need to sign up for an account on their website. Once you're signed up, you can browse through their list of retailers and see which ones offer cashback. When you're ready to shop, simply click the retailer's link on the Rakuten website, and you'll be redirected to their website to make your purchase. After you complete your purchase, Rakuten will track your order and credit your account with cashback. The amount of cashback you receive will depend on the retailer and the product you purchased. Rakuten pays out cashback via PayPal or check. Another way to make money with Rakuten is to refer friends to the platform. Rakuten offers a referral program that pays you for every friend you refer. You'll earn a bonus for each friend who signs up using your referral link and makes a qualifying purchase. Now let's talk about Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards platform that pays you for completing various tasks such as watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and shopping online. To start making money with Swagbucks, you'll need to sign up for an account on their website. Once you're signed up, you can start earning rewards by completing different activities on the site. For example, you can earn points by watching videos, taking surveys, or playing games. Swagbucks also offers a cashback program similar to Rakuten. You can earn cashback by shopping at your favorite stores through the Swagbucks website. One of the unique features of Swagbucks is their search engine. Swagbucks has its own search engine that you can use instead of Google or Bing. Each time you search using the Swagbucks search engine, you'll earn points. While it may not be a huge amount, it's still an easy way to earn some extra points without doing anything extra. Swagbucks also has a referral program that pays you for referring friends to the platform. For each friend who signs up using your referral link and earns their first 300 points, you'll receive a bonus of 300 points. In conclusion, Rakuten and Swagbucks are two great platforms that can help you earn money online. Rakuten is great for earning cashback while shopping, and Swagbucks offers a variety of ways to earn rewards by completing tasks such as watching videos, taking surveys, and playing games. So if you're looking for easy ways to make money online, give these platforms a try. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.